Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your study abroad travel plans with Expedia step-by-step clear. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Type www.expedia.com into the address bar and press enter. Once the Expedia homepage loads, locate the search bar prominently displayed on the page. Select flights, hotels, or packages depending on your travel needs. If you want to book a package, choose Packages for combined deals. Enter your departure city in the first field of the search bar. Next, input your destination country or city in the second field. Select your intended travel dates from the calendar pop-up. Specify the number of travelers in the designated field. Click on the search button to initiate your query. Review the listed options that appear based on your criteria. Filter results using the sidebar options such as price, duration, and ratings. Evaluate the flight durations and layover times for better convenience. Once you find a suitable flight, click on it for more details. Check the baggage policies and cancellation options. Next, proceed to the hotel section by navigating back to the search results. Look for hotels that are close to your destination or university. Read reviews and ratings from other travelers to ensure quality. Compare room types and amenities to find the best fit for your stay. Once you choose a hotel, click on it to explore available rooms. Review pricing options and cancellation policies closely. Add the hotel to your itinerary once you've made your selection. Consider exploring car rental options if needed during your stay. Use the car rental feature available on the homepage for convenience. After finalizing your selections, review your entire itinerary for accuracy. Check for travel insurance options which may be beneficial for your trip. Proceed to the checkout by clicking the checkout button to enter your payment information. Ensure all details are correct before confirming your booking. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.